Hello everyone, this is Dr. Priya here and welcome to New Roots Hair Clinic. Today we are here to discuss about something that not many people talk about. We all have spoken about hair loss, alopecia and what are its treatment. But you'll not see many people discussing about what is the psychological effects. What are the psychological effects of hair fall and how does it affect the quality of life. So alopecia, as we all know, has few physical disadvantages. But the psychological impact is major and it really affects the quality of life as well. Hair matters in relation to our general sense of attractiveness, which is intrinsically connected to our confidence and our self-esteem. It automatically becomes a part of our identity. Hair is one of the most important aspects of our expression of who we are and who we want to be seen as a person. Research shows that people with alopecia have higher level of anxiety and depression. They are at higher risk for developing serious depressive episodes, anxiety disorders, and social phobia. Hair loss is a common condition that affects both men and women of all the ages. Hair loss in older age is not a serious issue, but hair loss before aging has psychological impact. Scalp hair. Please remember that scalp hair speaks a lot silently, like healthy hair, and is typically associated with charm, youthfulness, confidence, and the power and decision making. Stress is one of the main reasons which triggers hair fall, and this hair fall leads to more stressful events, giving a lot of disturbance in one's life. Hair loss can bring social phobia in surroundings like in colleges, workplaces, and also in personal life, and it leads to anxiety and loneliness. It may sometimes bring sense of humiliation, negative judgment in social situations. They fear rejection and hence they end up feeling more deprived. There may be some patients also who suffer from alopecia totalis, where you don't only lose your scalp hair, but they also end up losing eyelashes, eyebrows, mustache and beard hair. Please remember that everything that I have discussed till now is not only for men. I'm talking about females also. In fact, the level of distress caused by hair loss or alopecia is much greater than men. At the end, all I would like to say is greater awareness is required for both male and females along with the treatment on hair. Let's discuss how to deal with psychological stress in the next video. Till then, please take care.